Welcome to my channel. If it is your first time, subscribe my channel. I'm Married Geoffrey. So today we are going to revise Maths paper 1, 2024 internal. Question number 23 under speech time graph. So question 3. The following diagram is a speech time graph of a particle moving in a straight line. The particle decelerates uniformly from a speed of 20 meters per second to 5 meters per second to 20 meters per second in 10 seconds. It then moves at a constant speed of 20 meters per second for 15 seconds. Before it decelerates uniformly, it comes to rest at the 40th second. So this is the diagram. So here we have the 5, here we have 20 meters per second, here we have 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 40 seconds. So here this time, here it is speed meter per second, time in seconds. So question, calculate A, retardation of the particle in the first 10 seconds, which is 1 B, calculate the speed of the particle when t is equal to 31 seconds. C, calculate the average speed of the particle for the whole journey, which is 3 max. So solution, let's start. So solution question 23. And they say that retardation. So we need to calculate the retardation of the car in 10 seconds, in the first 10 seconds. So the formula for deceleration, so we're going to use the same formula for acceleration. So acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial by time. So acceleration same as deceleration is equal to, so final velocity. So the final velocity was 20 meter per second, which is 20 minus the initial where it started is 35 meter per second, by time taken, which was 10. So acceleration is equal to, so 20 subtracted by 35, which is negative 15 by 10. So acceleration is equal to negative 15 by 10, which is negative 1.5 meter per second squared. So this is the answer. So the deceleration, it is supposed to have a negative sign, because it is retardating. The particle is moving, it starts throwing down the speed. So this is the answer. Let's proceed. Question number B. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So question number B, calculate the speed of the particle when t is equal to set 1 second. So when time is set 1 second. So we're going to write this diagram here, since we have been given a diagram here. So if here was 20 meter per second, so the time was in 40 seconds, and then here we have been 5 seconds. So here we are going just to estimate here, maybe that one which is here, that 1 seconds. So you need to find the speed. Here speed, you need to find the speed. So we're going to use this simple ratio, which says we're going to write here, we're going to put x. So x, so x divided by the number, the speed. So the bigger speed will be down here, which is 12, is equal to, so we're going to use a smaller time will be on the top, which is 40 subtracted by 31, which is 9 divided by, and then the bigger time, which is larger. So the bigger time will be 40 subtracted by 25, which is 15. So the time between 25 to 40 was 15, and then the time between 40 to 31 was 9. So we use 9 divided by 15. So cross multiplication. So x is equal to, so x multiplied by 15, which is 15. X is equal to 9 multiplied by 20, which is 0, 81, 80. So 180 divided by 15. So x is equal to 180 divided by 15, which is 12. So since it is speed, it will meter per second square. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So let's proceed. Question number C. They said calculate the average speed of the particle for the whole journey. So we need to find the average speed of the whole journey. So since we have seen this, we have trapezium, rectangle, and triangle. So I'm going to write this formula. So distance is equal to half a plus b h plus the formula for rectangle, which is l multiplied by b, plus the formula for triangle, which is b h. So distance is equal to 1 over 2 a. So a we're going to pick here, a is 20, and then it is 35. So 20 plus 35 cross bracket. H we're going to pick here 10 subtracted by 0, which is 10, plus L times B, which is L is 25 subtracted by 10, which is 15, multiplied by B, which is base, which is 20, plus half B, which is base here, which is 40 subtracted by 25, which is 15. So 15 multiplied by H, which is 20. So here we have this. So distance is also, so here H is 10. So 10. So we're going to cancel 2 here and 2 here, which we are going to make with 5. So 20 plus here 35, which is 55, multiplied by 5 plus 20 multiplied by 15. So we're going to use here, so 20 multiplied by 15, which is 300 plus it. So here we're going to cancel here half, cancel 2, I mean with 10. So 10 multiplied by 150. So 10 multiplied by 15, which is 150. So 55 multiplied by 5, which is distance equal to, this one is 275 plus 300 plus 150. So this will give us a distance equal to 2, which is 500 with 600. So 600, which is 700 somewhere. So 700, when we add it will give us 700, and so let's add 275 plus 300 plus 150. So it is 5. So it is 75. So plus 0 plus 5, which is 12. So 5 remainder 2. So 2, 5, 6, 7. So here, so remember this is paper 1 calculator, not allowed. So now 5 here by 12. So 12, 2 remainder 1. So 5, which is 5, 6, 7, which is 725. So this was the total distance. So the formula for average speed, so average speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. So average speed is equal to distance covered, which was 7.5 meter, by time, which was in 40 seconds. So 40 seconds. So average speed is equal to 7.5 by 40, which will give us, so here 40 goes, so 40 into 7.5 goes 18 times. So it leaves some remainders here, which is so it will give us 1.25 meter per seconds. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment section. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, and likes. May God bless you all for listening and for wasting your time for listening. Bye.